Hi, my name is Thomas Foster. In this short video tutorial, we will demonstrate you how to start a button in Motionmixes via UDP from your external broadcast player, and to start with the last button in Motionmixes, means with an outro, your next song in your external broadcast player. So to start the first button, you send a command. In this case, we use the command start mm3. This function is using something that we called stepper. The stepper normally starts the first button on your page, except the clipboard is open. If the clipboard is open, it starts the first button on the clipboard. If you want a special button to start, you can click in the left corner to move the stepper to a special button. And now the command is starting the special button. To start the next song, you have to prepare special buttons that have a cue out command at a special point. You can place this very exactly in time. So in this case, our stinger here has a command to start the next command to start the next song. Let's try this. Exactly. So sometimes maybe you forgot to place your outro, or you forgot where to stop the sequence that you are playing in Motionmixes. For this case, we have the possibility of a panic button. This could be a hardware button on your table. And at the moment you press the panic button, it sends the panic UDP command to Motionmixes. This stops everything in Motionmixes and sends out the start command for the next song. So we play a button right now, and now we send the panic command. Everything stops, and immediately it sends out the start player command to start the next song in your external broadcast player. So let me demonstrate where you can place these commands and how to do the settings. In the settings menu, you find the Playout connection window. Here you can place the IP address for the outgoing signal. Please use here the IP address of the computer where you have your external broadcast player running, and a port. By default, it's 7400. And you can use or define a special command to do this. So the command in this case is start_player. For the incoming commands, you can define a port, you can define a stepper command, and you can define a command for the panic button. To place the commands on the outro, we used a very special technique. So first you go to the edit mode to be able to select the button. Then you select the outro. And then in the same window, you can define the quarters you want to have, after how many quarters you start the next song. So in this case, we used 6 quarters. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, next bar, 1, 2, and here we start. So very often you will have 6 bars or 2 bars or maybe 10, not bars, sorry, quarters to start the next song, to make it at a good point where it is in time. Let's check out again the position, how this sounds. We play the outro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Here we go. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to watch the other video tutorials.